o'clock in the afternoon, and suddenly decided to ride to Tilari from my home, that is from Dharwad. So right, let's roll. Sorry, no, let's ride. I cannot even make out this is a 12 o'clock in afternoon. No, it's 12:30. So okay. So it's 2:30 in afternoon, and now I'm in Belagavi. I started too late actually. यहाँ से लेंगे हाँ. But welcome to Belagavi. Belagavi, to be more specific. Well, that is the Durgadevi military camp of Belagavi. Maybe I don't think people can see, but it's there. Every time when I come to Belagavi, whether it is bus or car or whatever it is, every time somewhere or anywhere they will build the roads every single time when I visit here. That's the speciality of Belagavi. बात है. हो कहाँ भाई. This is Maharashtra first interstate travel. मराठी चालू हुआ भाई, मराठी चालू हुआ. कोल्हापुर में बहुत बड़ा जगह है.
में गाड़ी भगा के मजा आया.
ये मजा मैं भारत देश के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ. चलो मजा लेंगे. anyway, they didn't allow for a main in Tilari Falls where a lot of photos are taken and a lot of people get into the water. But some of the locals told that it is already closed because of COVID situations. Well, we found out this is actually a private property. I hope people are seeing this because the dynamic range may vary here and there. It's 6 in the evening and we'll be reaching around 10 o'clock. Wow! Right from that clip where we left last time. Well, while coming back to the home, there was a lot, hell lot of rain and the road was not at all good. Making a vlog was not necessarily a priority, so I thought let's reach home, get rest and come back. So as far as road is concerned, that road is completely destroyed due to the intense rain. Bike like Himalayan or something like that, you can go and enjoy the thing. But if you have a bike like mine, nothing happens to the bike. Okay, nothing happens to the bike. All the thing happens to you. You'll completely get exhausted on the bike like mine. As far as the falls is concerned, like I told you before, the falls was closed, maybe due to the COVID situation or something like that. We went on Saturday, that is why I think it is closed. I don't know about the weekdays, but on Saturday and Sunday it is closed, where people get in and play in the water. That place I'm talking about. Well, the water flows through a lot of places. I have captured most of the places like you watched it before. So that's it. So this is the end of it. See you in the next one. To watch this video and all this too. So thank you. See you again in the next one. Spotlight, who? Chiddo, who? Get into the spotlight. चल बे बस चल चल उठ चल उड़ बे मार 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 मार